Are you ready to unlock the secrets of one of the most powerful programming languages in the world? Welcome to the Ultimate C++ course, a step-by-step adventure that will take you from beginner to coding master. Let's learn a little bit about the language's origin. C++ was created in 1983 by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs as an extension of the C programming language. His goal was to combine the efficiency and low-level control of C with the flexibility and structure of object-oriented programming. The language quickly became one of the most powerful programming tools, widely used in game development, artificial intelligence, financial systems, operating systems, and even space exploration. And today, you are going to master it. This isn't just another course, it's your launchpad into the world of programming. What you'll learn: this course is packed with everything you need to become a C++ pro. The basics: master syntax, operators, and expressions in no time. Control structures, loops, arrays, and strings, the backbone of every program. Memory management, pointers, dynamic variables, and references. Unleash the real power of C++. Object-oriented programming. Classes, objects, and functions that will transform your code. Advanced concepts, exception handling, file management, STO, namespaces, and more. You won't just learn theory, you'll build real, working applications. A to-do list, manage tasks like a pro, rock, paper, scissors game. Challenge the computer and sharpen your logic. Guess the number challenge. Test your C++ skills with randomness. A secure password generator. Build a tool to keep passwords safe. A currency converter. Convert money like a financial expert. A simple snake game. Create a classic game and level up your coding skills. This is your time. Your journey into the world of C++ starts now. No more waiting, no more excuses. It's time to become the coder you were meant to be. Hit that start button and let's dive into the world of C++ together. See you in the next video.